Do you often suffer from leg pain, cramps, or swelling due to poor blood flow? If so, you may benefit from some natural remedies that can help improve your circulation and ease your discomfort. Olive leaf. This herb can lower your blood pressure and reduce inflammation, which are both factors that affect your circulation. Olive leaf also has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that can protect your blood vessels from damage. Cayenne pepper. This spicy herb can warm up your body and stimulate blood flow, especially to your extremities. Cayenne pepper also contains capsaicin, a compound that can relax your arteries and prevent plaque buildup. Butcher's broom. This herb can tone your blood vessels and help them contract, which can improve blood return to your heart. Butcher's broom is especially helpful for conditions like varicose veins, hemorrhoids, and chronic venous insufficiency. Ginkgo biloba. This herb can enhance your brain function and memory, but it can also boost your circulation by dilating your blood vessels and increasing blood flow. Ginkgo biloba can also prevent blood clots and reduce oxidative stress. Rosemary. This herb can invigorate your circulation and stimulate your nervous system, which can help you feel more alert and energetic. Rosemary also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can protect your blood vessels from damage. Sahachara. This herb can alleviate muscle cramps, pain, and stiffness in your legs, which can improve your mobility and comfort. Sahachara can also balance your doshas and enhance your overall health, according to Ayurveda.